This one is okay. Look at that. This very so sweet. Here we have the skiwas already washed, and then we have the meat. Oh gosh, the meat has we don't even pass almost 2 hours. I was expecting 30 minutes. So this one is about it has 6 chances to marinate. So yeah, let's look if you are going to fit do this for a Hi, I'll be going to this food shop to buy this barbecue. Hey, this thing, guys. How many this my? Let's see how this thing go, guys. So let's try to fire because the light is already on at this point. So let's cook everything in. Let's see. I think guys, marinade so perfect. Let me try to hook it. I want it to tight well, may not fall for fire. How now they do one? I think it's okay like this. So yeah, I hope it go reach. Let's see. I think I have about 6 to 7 skiwas here. I don't even know. This one don't reach for one. So let's keep this one here. Let's take the other one. This kalaji is not that strong. This one is liver, guys. So we have liver, we have what do they call them? Gizzard, yeah, and we have chicken wings. So that is what you have over here. So we are going to use that our, what does it call? Hey, I want this thing to tie so that it's going to last for fire. I don't want it to fall inside fire, that kind of stuff. Let's see. Okay, this one is okay like this. So I think this one is okay, right? No, it's still get tight. You see her space. I don't know. Let's first of all put. Nah, the kind of when they this my window, Where just they blow. So this one is okay for one. Looking so heavy. I don't remember that my what they call that thing. That thing I this barbecue oven now. We are not be using it ever since we bought it. Only once. That is when we use it. So I remember this gizzard has been in my fridge since, trying for help. So I decided, okay, let's use this opportunity to make use of it. The spice I use is going to make this come out very yummy because I love the things I miss to get it marinate. Still have to add it in. This one is okay. Look at that. The space I used to get this marinade is very, very gorgeous. Like, it's going to enable this to sweet so perfect. So sweetie, this one is the last one. I want to make it touch the hook. not easy. This liver, it was so soft. Check. So the liver is so soft because I have liver, I have a gizzard, and the same time chicken wings. So now it's okay. So all the skiwas is covered. So for this sauce, guys, I'm not going to throw it away. So let me show you what I'm doing with it.